Hi everyone, happy to have you here. My name's Ethan Powell, and in today's episode we'll be flying drones. I'm going to show you my favorite camera movements to capture the most cinematic quality drone footage you can. If you like videos like these and the content that I cover, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I make one every week, and let's get into it. Getting out there in the field, you're going to want to get your drone in the sky as quick as possible because you're most likely pretty excited. Yes! And using your drone, it's... God, did this guy talk the whole time? I can see why his subscribers are low. God, would he get to the point already? The video thumbnail said, best cinematic shots around in the world. Get in the air, make note of where you are with your landscape, make sure there's no trees, make sure you're not by antennas, and definitely make sure there's not an airport around. So I'm not advocating flying your drone illegally. Keep it within the parameters under 400 feet, which is regulated by the FAA. It's safer for everyone involved. Now that those warnings are out of the way, we can have some fun. And in this video, just to reiterate, I want to get into the nano, into the micro of how you fly your drone. We only have so much time while we're flying it, and it's nice to really know what movements capture that cinematic feel and use your time the wisest. So that's what we're covering. The first set of shots that I have are going to be walking someone through the scenes, and it's very simple. You just want a slow camera movement forward, and you want to have a few different locations while you do this. Bottom line, they're going to be walking you through the story. That's the concept. They're going to be slowly moving forward. And the faster you're moving forward, of course, this will emphasize a faster motion, maybe an increase in the story plot or a higher tension. But for the most part, the trick here is slowly move your camera forward. All right, now moving on to number 2, swooping shot. You're going to be swooping either to the left or to the right. So you're going to be arcing and slowly turning your drone to the right, and usually you have a point of focus, and in these shots it would be the bridge, and in this shot it would be the stand-up paddleboarder. Now what's really fun about this is you can double down on your footage, and you can also swoop back the other direction, and in doing this you capitalize on the amount of flight time that you have and the dynamic of shots, because sometimes, depending on what else you have going on with your storyline, you do need the shot moving in the opposite direction. And this last one, this is just a fun, quick one. It's the pull away. I think we're all familiar with this, and it's just a wonderful shot. It really establishes the environment that you're in, and I think we all are intrigued to see what's unveiling as the drone gets farther and farther away. In this final sequence, you're going to see it all come to life. You're going to see all the hard work from that one flight and that one battery.